Alright, I know it's been a while, but I got an update for you guys. It's been months, but finally got an update, and I'm out here working on it now, and we're going to talk about a couple of things that's going on. So let me go ahead and switch this camera over. Alright, so now that I got the camera switched over, you can see I got all my car parts laying out here. Interior looks no different, nothing's really changed there, but the good news is that I got the transmission back. It's all fixed up. Got an LSD put in it. Painted her up. It's looking nice and mint. And I'm gonna put the transmission back to the heart of this beast. There's a lot of wasps out here, which kind of sucks because I haven't worked on this car in a while, and I know that they made little homes inside of there, and I really don't know where they are. I've already killed about 3 or 4. So I'm hoping not to get stung, because last time I was out here I got stung. But yep, and these are my R888 drag radials. I've had these for over a year. I only put about 10 miles on them because when I picked them up, as soon as I picked them up, I did a couple of test hits on them, and then started breaking down the car. So they're still brand new. But I'm gonna put those on today. Got brand new axles. So as you can see, the flywheel itself, which is a 10-pound flywheel by the way, has surface rust on it. Off the sun. And how I'm gonna get that off is we got some Scotch-Brite here, and I'm just doing like a little rough scrub on it. There's nothing on the Scotch-Brite, it's dry. And I'm going to knock off as much of it as I can, and then I'll hit it with some brake cleaner and do it again until I get it all nice and clean, because you can't put the clutch on with all that surface rust, it's just going to slip. Alright, so I was at it for probably about 5 minutes scrubbing at it, hit it with some brake cleaner, scrubbed it some more, and you can see all that surface rust is gone, so the flywheel is good to go. Alright, so after about an hour and a half of that, got the tranny in, all bolted up. Also put the new axles in, half shaft, connected the shift linkage. So as far as the drivetrain goes, this is all good to go. I just have to connect, bolt in the starter and the cable for this. But yep. Also put my radials back on. Sorry if my hand's a little bit shaky. Been going at it with the ratchets and wrenches and stuff like that. Yo, it has been a while since I've heard this transmission. Picked up this K-Tune weighted shifter. Figured it looked nice with the car. Comes with a little nut so you can tighten it up. So that way you don't have to put the shifter all the way down and it won't turn and everything over time. But yeah, it's looking good.